What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay.
Hello, good hearts and godsends. My name is Godsend B.A. Pinky, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. Here in Canva Play, we make videos to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification just below this video so you don't miss out on every video we post here as we upload new videos all the time. With that said, I'm going to head on to our today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the so-called wall art deco pattern. Though in photography, photographers suggested to look for plain backgrounds and avoid strong patterns or clutter behind the subject. I say that sometimes we need to get out of that comfort zone. We need to be bold. We need to experiment and try something new. This is what the tutorial is all about, how to create a beautiful and eye-catching background, because I thought we need to pay attention to what's happening behind our subject as well. The background can make or break a picture. It can support a subject or be a total distraction. That is why we need to make our background beautiful too, like our subject is. In the design that I will create, let me use the background as my subject. Let the background stand out. Let the background catch your attention. So let's jump into Canva and start creating the design. But before that, here are the designs that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design page and let's create a design. I'm going to get my subject photo from Uploads. You can find the same photo from Photos by searching the keyword woman smelling flowers. Preferably in this kind of design, it is advisable to pick a photo with the wall background setup. Next, duplicate the photo. For the first photo, I will set the image as my background. For the duplicate photo, I will remove the background of this image. So I will go to Edit Image and click Background Remover. If you are a Pro version user, you can automatically remove the background under Edit Image. If you are a free version user, you can use the free alternative background remover like remove.bg. You can find in the description box below the link to this alternative. If you want to have a Canva Pro account, I have a link in the description below that will give you access to 30 trial days of Canva Pro. Just click the link and it will direct you to the Canva to process your trial subscription. It's completely free and you can cancel it anytime you want, hassle-free. After I remove its background, my rule is to check if there are parts of the image that has been erased or parts that has been removed. Here, I find none. Then, I'll click Apply. I will align this image with the background by dragging from any of the side corners and position it perfectly with the image behind like this. After aligning it, lock it. Let's now begin to create a wall art deco pattern. I will use two elements in creating an eye-catchy wall art deco pattern. Here's now the first element to use. Go to Elements and search in the search bar Aesthetic Gradient Background. Go to its subs under Photos and and you will find a lot of gradient backgrounds to choose from. But I want an element with a light blue touch color, so I will choose in particular the keyword brand semicolon capital BAE small letters NVX capital letter NP small letter R 60. Then go to graphics. This one. This is the element I have in mind. An element with a touch of light blue color. If you look at its keyword, it's named blue gradient background. Finding keywords is hard and time consuming, and you need to do a depth search and a lot more time to find this kind of keyword. If you want to save time and find extraordinary keywords like this in Canva, we have created an ebook called Canva Deep. Canva Deep is an ebook of 900 plus Canva search keywords with visual presentations that are widely known in deep search to help you find the exact stock Canva resources for your day-to-day designs. Going back, use it to occupy the whole page. Position it middle center. And then change its transparency to 75. And position it again backward, making the image without background in front. Like this. And then lock it. Here's now the second element to use. Go again to Elements and search in the search bar Watercolor Seamless Pattern. Under all, you will see a lot of beautiful seamless patterns coming in front of your eyes. Preferably, pick a cut-out elements or elements with no background or simply say transparent background. I will show you some examples. Did you see countless watercolor seamless patterns that you can use in your design? Actually, you can find them under All, under Photos, and under Graphics. They are so amazing to look at. What I will do next is I'll duplicate this page twice to show you the different watercolor seamless patterns examples that you can use in your design. On the first page, let's look the element under Photos. And I will pick and use this element, this one, with the keyword Apple's Watercolor Seamless Pattern. Drag it inside the design, make it bigger to occupy the whole page like this, and position it backward. And lock it so it will not replace the background behind. Did you see how it turned your background to eye-catchy with full of apples around? Another one, go to the next duplicate page. Let's use another watercolor seamless pattern under. I want to use, this time, a sunflowers filled background. Here it is. The keyword of this is watercolor seamless pattern with sunflowers. Drag it inside the design. Make it bigger to occupy the whole page like this and position it backward. And lock it so it will not replace the background behind. And voila! How it turned your background so eye-catchy with full of sunflowers. Now for the final look. I am a butterfly lover. I want a background full of flowers and butterflies. This, of course, to match my image of a woman smelling a bouquet of flowers in her hands. Under Elements, I will search in particular the keyword Butterfly Flower Pattern Seamless Watercolor. And here it is. I found it. Like what I did in the 2 examples above, I'll drag it inside the design, make it bigger to occupy the whole page like this. And position it backward. And lock it so it will not replace the background behind. Wish granted, I turned my background so eye-catchy with full of butterflies and flowers. Done! For final look, I'll show you again the 3 output of the designs I created. Which do you prefer? Sample 1? Sample 2? Or sample 3? That's it! For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I am Pinky Godson DA saying sharing is caring. In behalf of Simon Goodheart DA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video from Simon with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys, see you in the next video!